Hola a todos and welcome to the party. In this video, we will guide you on how to put the new moto together. We will unbox, assemble, and teach you how to set up the moto so you can get on the gas as fast as possible. First, let's make sure we have some basic tools. We will need a torque tool, a set of hex wrenches, a Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a cutting plier, a scissor, anti-seize paste, and a floor pump. Let's begin by opening the box. Cut away the exterior straps, open the box from the top, but be careful with the staples. Ask someone to help you lift the bicycle out of the box and use the kickstand to set it up properly. Remove the plastic wrap that holds the small parts box, grab the box, and set it aside. Identify the following items inside the box: General Instructions Manual, GASGAS stickers, battery charger, reflectors, gift bag, and the bicycle pedals. Remove the plastic wrap from the stem and use the number 6 hex wrench to remove the handlebar clamp. Remove the plastic wrap that holds the handlebar, place the handlebar on the stem, reinstall the clamp, and slightly tighten the bolts. We will do the final adjustment later. Remove the rest of the protective foam and use scissors if necessary. Align the handlebar so it is parallel with the fork's angle, and with the torque tool, finish tightening the bolts in a cross pattern. Reach the hook cable under the seat, pull, lift the seat, and remove the plastic wrap. Locate the keys hanging on the handlebar cables and cut away the zip tie to get the keys. Now it's a good time to charge the battery. You can do this when it is out or inside of the e-bike. Insert the key on the battery lock, turn the key counterclockwise to unlock the battery, and slide the battery out of the frame. Open the rubber cap from the battery connector, connect the charger cable to the battery, connect the power cable to the charger, and plug the charger into an outlet. The LED light from the charger will turn red while the battery is charging. When fully charged, the LED will turn from red to green. To charge the battery inside the bike, just repeat the previous steps. Close the seat and wait until the battery is fully charged. Now we can install the pedals. Identify the right pedal from the left pedal. The left pedal has some marks on the spindle. Apply anti-seize on the threads. The right pedal will thread clockwise in the crank arm. Use a number 6 hex wrench to tighten properly. The left pedal will thread counterclockwise in the crank arm. Finish tightening with the hex wrench. Make sure to check and tighten everything on the bicycle. Adjust all the components on the handlebar. Adjust and center the brake calipers so the rotors are not rubbing against the brake pads. Check that the gears are shifting smoothly up and down on the cassette. Make sure the brakes are working properly so no spongy feeling on the brake levers. And lastly, pump the tires to the range suggested on the sidewall of the tires. We are almost ready to hit the road. Sit on the e-bike, turn on the display by pressing the power button on the back, use the plus or min button to set the assistance, and give it some gas. And just like that, you are all set to ride the party. Make sure to check the description box below to find more information about your moto. Thank you for choosing GASGAS, and have fun getting your daily kicks.